STR200 laser welder for structural manufacturing companies, the ideal choice for foreign workers in the welding and manufacturing sectors, which face chronic labor shortages. The STR air-cooled fiber laser welding system is designed to provide fast and easy training for foreign workers to enhance their welding skills. With excellent portability and mobility, the STR200 increases productivity across a variety of industrial environments. The high-quality welding capabilities deliver professional-level results, reducing both welding and finishing time, which leads to significant cost savings and improved safety. The STR200 aims to boost efficiency within the welding industry.